The command unit allows Ronin-S users to check information, calibrate their device, and shoot and operate with greater efficiency. Mount the command unit on the Ronin-S using the 8-pin port, and then press and hold the power button to turn on the Ronin-S. Press the 5D button on the command unit to enter the configuration screen. Push the 5D button up or down to switch configuration options. Push the 5D button left to exit, and push it right to select the option you want. Motor. Select Motor to perform automatic motor calibration. Under Motor, go to the Settings menu and select Auto-Tune. After setting the stiffness, tap the 5D button again to start calibration. The stiffness of the 3-axis motor can also be adjusted here. User can also enable advanced settings to adjust the gimbal strength, filter, and control settings. SmoothTrack. Use SmoothTrack to adjust the gimbal's movement parameters and enable manual adjustment of the 3-axis motor. Control. Control settings allows you to adjust the Ronin-S's built-in parameters, invert directional controls for the 3-axis motor, and make channel mapping settings. Create. You can use Create to select the camera model for the Ronin-S and enable panorama and time-lapse shooting modes. Before shooting a panorama, adjust the relevant parameters according to the camera model and shooting requirements. When parameters have been set, enable Quick Start, and then set the start and end positions for shooting. Now, you are ready to go. You can shoot a time-lapse video using the same easy steps. Set the relevant parameters, enable Quick Start, and then set the start and end positions for shooting. Settings. Use the Settings menu to test the Ronin-S's balance, change the UI language, and change the screen's orientation under Command Unit Settings. About. Go to the About page to check detailed information about the device, battery, and firmware version. That's all for now. Hit the like button if this tutorial was helpful. If you need any support with your DJI gear, feel free to contact us via Facebook Messenger by following the link in the description. Thank you for watching.